The Cuisinart CBK110 NAS bread maker stands out as a versatile and efficient addition to any modern kitchen. Its sleek stainless steel exterior houses a compact footprint that saves valuable counter space without sacrificing performance. This automatic machine features a vertical baking cavity designed to produce loaves in 3 different sizes, ranging from 1 pound to a full 2-pound capacity. Additionally, users can select from 12 pre-programmed menu options to tackle everything from basic white bread to specialty artisan loaves. Because the design is so streamlined, it fits perfectly under cabinets while still offering the power of a professional-grade appliance. Consequently, it appeals to both novice bakers and seasoned pros who value efficiency and style in their cooking environment. Customization is a core strength of this device, ensuring every loaf meets specific personal preferences. The interface allows for the selection of 3 distinct crust colors, including light, medium, and dark shades. Furthermore, the machine manages the entire process by mixing, kneading, and baking with precision. Beyond traditional bread, this unit excels at preparing cake batters, pizza dough, and even sweet treats for the whole family. As a result, it functions as a multi-purpose tool rather than a single-use gadget. By offering such a wide range of settings, the Cuisinart provides the flexibility needed to experiment with diverse recipes and textures throughout the week. Operating the Cuisinart bread maker is remarkably simple due to its fully automatic system and intuitive controls. A clear LCD display provides a real-time view of the countdown timer and the current cycle stage. For added convenience, the machine includes audible beep reminders to signal when it is time to add mix-ins or remove the kneading paddle. Once the baking process concludes, a 60-minute keep warm cycle activates automatically to maintain the bread's freshness. Transitioning from setup to cleanup is equally effortless because of the removable non-stick baking pan. Therefore, the user can enjoy the aroma of fresh bread without the typical stress of manual labor or messy kitchen surfaces. Ultimately, this appliance represents a smart investment for anyone looking to bring high-quality, homemade baked goods into their daily routine. The combination of its space-saving vertical design and robust feature set makes it a top contender in the market. Every detail, from the non-stick kneading paddle to the stainless steel finish, is crafted for long-term durability and ease of use. Whether preparing a quick loaf for dinner or prepping dough for a weekend pizza night, the machine delivers consistent results every time. In conclusion, the Cuisinart CBK110 NAS proves that professional-level baking can be accessible, fast, and incredibly rewarding for the home chef.